of people think they understand Social Security. They know they have to be married for 10 years. And that may or may not be right. Stay tuned and let me delve in a little deeper. Hi, I'm Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare Family, and this 10-year rule seems to be like the one thing people latch onto. I gotta be married 10 years, I gotta be married 10 years. Well, yes and no. You just got married to your spouse, and you wanna draw Social Security off your spouse. Do you have to wait 10 years? No. You have to wait 1 year. 1 year to draw off an existing spouse. So I'm married to my spouse, and my spouse passes away. Can I draw survivor benefits? Can I draw widow benefits? Because we're legally married. No. You have to have been married at least 9 months. So this 10-year rule, people think that's like the holy grail, 10 years for everything. No, you don't have to be married 10 years to draw Social Security off your existing spouse. You don't have to be married 10 years to draw Medicare off your existing spouse. It's only 1 year. Now, the 10-year rule is for former spouses, for ex-spouses. And if you look at my other video up here, I'll go into that in more detail. But if you divorce your spouse and you're married for 10 years, and you get married again, once you're married for 1 year, you're eligible to draw off this new spouse. Now, by marrying this new spouse, you close the door on that old spouse. Okay? But if you divorce this guy again, or this guy passes away again, now you're newly single, and you could draw on that first qualifying marriage that lasted at least 10 years. So you might start drawing on your ex-spouse. But then you meet somebody at square dancing, and you get married. Now you're married to this guy. Well, this guy is a really high earner. You're going to have to draw off your ex-spouse, right? Until you get married. Once you get married, you can't draw off this guy. So now you're stuck. You have 1 year that you're going to have to draw your own benefits, right? Because you can't draw off him, you haven't been married a year, and you can't draw off him because you remarried. If you remarried before age 60. If you remarry after age 60, then this remarriage won't hurt you. So this 10-year rule is the one thing everybody feels like they really understand, and they don't. They're using this 10 years and they're sticking it in for survivor benefits, for if someone passes away, and for living benefits, I want to draw benefits on my existing spouse. And this really matters when you're getting ready for retirement. If I haven't worked long enough, I was a stay-at-home mom, but I was only married to my first husband for 7 years. Then I married my second husband. I was married to him for 9.5 years. Again, I only worked part-time. I didn't make very much. Now I'm divorced. I don't have enough credits on my own to draw my own Social Security. I didn't stay married to either one of them for long enough. The government doesn't just give you money, okay? You have to pay into Social Security to get it out. So now if I get married again, I could draw on that new spouse. And you got it, you learned it, as long as we're married for at least 1 year. If you want to get my Social Security cheat sheet for 2022, it is in the description below. You can download that, and that'll answer a bunch of your questions about penalties, deadlines, amounts for Social Security and for Medicare for 2022. If you need help with your Medicare or your Social Security, call us at the Medicare Family. Let my family help your family. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.